Jesus Christ said, if you want to be big, you must become small. You must deny yourself. You must be humiliated. Humiliate yourself. But what we have today, we have a lot of pastors, a lot of prophets, a lot of false prophets who want to be great names, who want to be millionaires or billionaires, who promise the Christians that they will reign before Jesus comes back. This is a false gospel. This is great deception. If somebody tells you you will reign before Jesus coming back, this is absolutely deception. Run for your life.